Oh, am I in them? I'm in them. Come on. Oh, got him. Yes. Come on. Yes. Go, Matt. Go. Yes. Holy dooly. Got him. Hey. Get in there, Dad. Go, David. Watch out, Matt. Go. Film it, Matt. Film it. Oh, film it, film it. Go, David.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to All for Survival. We are here at beautiful Hervey Bay. Not a wind in sight. That didn't make sense. We're going to keep rolling along with it. We have Dad here. We have Thani holding the camera. I'm not usually doing the intros, but I thought, hey, well, what better time to do it than right now? Hopefully we're chasing some longtail tuna today. So look, hopefully we catch some fish. If we do, I'm sure you'll see it on the camera, on the video. So without further ado, let's do it.
All right. So guys, we're up at Hervey Bay, here to hopefully catch my first ever longtail. Matt's first too.
So today I want to get revenge on a shark.
Yeah, we'll put that footage up there. It's not the prettiest. We went at Moreton Bay a couple of weeks ago, and yeah, look, it wasn't the best. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Joking. Oh, yeah. Oh, Matt! Yes. Holy dooly! Oh, no way! Matt! You're in a longtail! Oh. Holy dooly! Matt, you're in a longtail! So we think Matt's on a longtail. Let's hope it is.
Oh, there he is, there he is. There it is. Big longy.
Yes! Look at it! This is the first longtail I've ever seen being caught. Oh, shark! Shark!
Quick, get
shark!
Up, get up,
free spills! Free spill, Matt! Free spill!
No,
free spill! You're joking!
Darn it! Shark's got him! Oh, no. Flopping shark! It's a big shark! Unbelievable!
But yeah, we've got a couple of setups here. Run you through the setups. So, this is one of mine. I've got the Nomad Mad Scout 95mm. I've got a 3/4 ounce jighead with a Z-Man Streaks 5-inch bubblegum colour. Dad's got the good old Riptide going, but should be good. Got the camera gear going. Got another 2 batteries since last went fishing, so yeah, should be good. Here we go. Oh, chopping. Go, Samba! Oh. Oh, am I in them? I'm in them.
Yep.
I'm in them, come on. Oh, got him! Yes! Come on! Yes! 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 Come on! Come on!
Just take it easy. Here comes the come on.
Oh, come on, guys. Holy dilly. Yes. Man, they're strong. Good old soft flat beaten. Come on, here we go. Oh, head shakes.
Don't get sharp.
I'll try not to.
Not that you can really control that.
All right, I'm on, guys. Pretty hectic.
Do a bit of multicam editing.
The rod bend. Oh, this is my first ever longtail. And if I can land it, I'd just be so happy. It's probably one of my top species I've always wanted to catch. But yeah, I got in the mix and good old Z-Man Streaks bubblegum color did the trick. Look at that rod bend.
Just behind us.
Oh, go, go, go. Go, David. Go, David. Go, David. Go!
Oh, just there.
Film it, Matt. Film it. Oh, film it, film it. Go, David. Get up. Go, get David. Up. Ah! Look at the bait fish. Film it. Film under us. I can see the tuna. Oh, David.
You've really...
David.
Come on. This is the one.
Come on. Come on.
David. Look at him. Look at all them.
All good. Oh.
No, with the small one.
Remember if it gets blue twice the boat.
Move, move, move. Move, Dad, move, move, move. Here he comes, here he comes. You might need the gaff, Dad. I think he's slightly foul. He's slightly foul hooked. Oh no, he's not.
Keep around. Around here.
Go, go, go! Get him in, get him in, get him in, get him in, get him in. Ah! 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 I've done it! Oh! Oh!
Grab a glove.
Holy dooly! Oh, that was the most stressful like 20 or 30 minutes of my life.
Well, it's all
Holy dooly, I've done it! That's huge!
Glove on. Right hand.
Have a go at that big fella, hey? Z-Man Streaks, 5-inch on the bubblegum colour. Crushed it. Oh, stonker. All right, so I've caught mine. Now, it's up to these fellas to catch one. Here we go. I'm gonna be the probably the cameraman when someone gets onto a fish. So we got one of these ultimate eskies. Pretty ultimate. Hey, taxi.
Hit it beautifully.
Hey guys, we're at Timber Creek. It's pretty ultimate. Super clear day. Flat Stanley, you can just see the fish. Yeah, call that Stanley. Oh, whoops.
Who's over who?
You're over me. Go, Matt! Go! Yes! Nice! Nice, man! Go! Yes!
Stuff, mate.
Hey, look at him go! Yeah. Whee! It's a good sounding one, this one. This will be Matt's first ever longtail. This is cool. Nice little school there. They just popped up for us, which is nice. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, just...
Still there.
Oh, he was just coming towards us. He's a bit of a funny kid, this one. He came up straight away.
Really green.
Look at that drag. Wow. He's a big fella, Matt.
Halco Twisty does the job.
Look at that drag. He's a bit lively, this one.
Might need to chase it for whatever.
It's nearly there.
Is it? Oh, yeah.
Someone want to get the...
Oh, that's a Mac.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Watch out.
That's a Mac tuna. That's why I was acting a bit funny. It's a good Mac tuna, but... bring it over. There it is! Nice!
I'll take it.
Hey, you're on the board.
With something.
Nice. Good stuff.
It's alright.
Yep.
Sweet.
Oh, right there. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Straight on.
He's pretty big. Oh, there he goes. Oh, no. Holy dooly. He's actually pretty big. Like, it could be a longtail. He's going for a good run too. Like when I saw him, he was a good fish. Yeah, better run than last time, holy dilly. Yep. Alright, mon fellas, that was a cool take. Which you would have seen, hopefully. But I have a feeling this could be another longtail. Dad thought that could have been Mac tuna, but I don't know, he was pretty big. I saw him eat it. We'll see, he could just be a Mac tuna that's lively. I'll try and get him in pretty quick, if I can.
Roll. It's a mackerel. mackerel chinner.
They fight different. They go like skittish. Like that one went full beans. I'll get a photo with it because it's definitely my biggest mac. Oh my goodness.
Grab it, Matt.
Matt, you've got the duties. Oh. Nice. There we go. I'll take that. Yeah, nice. There we go. Nice mac tuna there. So
right.
cool. So yeah, just on the Z-Man Streaks 5-inch bubblegum colour. And that was a good release. Cool beans. All right.
Oh my gosh!
That was a shark.
Oh no way!
Oh my hat.
That was nuts.
Holy
Wow.
That's
Even scared
nuts,
me.
man.
I thought it was a big buster.
Yeah, me too.
There's tuna here.
Yeah, left. Oh yeah, good. Go left.
Probably left.
Yeah, they're still going.
I mean, take your pick, really.
Go, go, go. Oh, right here.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Oh, got him! Yes! Straight away. Coming towards me. Watch out, Matt. Oh! Came off. Oh, right there.
Oh, just there.
Oh, my hat. Holy dilly. That was pretty close. Here we go. Matt's on a longtail.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, that's a longtail. I saw it. Matt's on.
My redemption story is here.
It's a pretty big one. Holy dilly. Where's Gaff? Okay.
Oh, busted it off.
Yeah, it's a knot.
No, it's the knot.
Did you tie it?
Yeah, did it really tight?
Didn't tie it on well enough.
Yeah, that's the knot. See how, because when it's twisted like that, the knots just come undone.
Just enough twisty turn. Straight ahead, nasal. Put it away.
Surely, I'm in them. I'm in them. Oh, God. Hit. Hit. Hit.
Hit city.
Oh, straight away. One more. Oh.
Come on, boys.
Oh, hit straight away. Oh, got him.
Hey! Get in there, Dad.
Ah!
That was so quick.
Ah!
I didn't even want. Double. Oh, look up.
Oh, it's going nuts.
Careful here, mate.
Oh, my.
So I won't fish now. I'll wait.
Matt, get the camera.
Over you. Go under me.
I know, mine's Yonki's way.
I know, but I just gotta make sure I don't.
Where? Are you
I
sure?
don't know, mine's just heading north.
No.
Boys are on.
Alright.
Yeah, you go there, I think.
Oh, mine went full beans. It had a good run, this one.
I'm still going.
Ah! Ah!
Your fish are running marathons. Far out.
Yeah, well, that's good.
They're going north. They might be big.
The boys are on. Literally, the boys are on.
Which is good.
Holy clip is early.
Dad has a feel to be on a longtail again.
I know.
It's been a while, hey? It's good to have the feeling back. I'll try.
Better if one came in first.
Mine's coming in, so I'll see if I can get mine in.
And I'm
We're
filming.
on. Double hookup. Doesn't get much better than this, and here we go. Going around.
Let me know when it's close and I'll get the net.
Both. What? Oh, shark.
Easy. Easy. Was it shark, you reckon?
Let it go. It's alright.
Is it still there? Is it shark?
I don't know, I think
Oh,
so.
it's gone. Okay.
Yeah, my hook's gone. Yeah, that was a shark. Look, my hook's gone.
No, but you broke it. Oh, what?
My hook's gone. I think that was a shark, grabbed it and must have pulled the hook right out. I tried to free spool. Alright, I just got sharked, I believe. I didn't actually see the shark, but my hook's gone. So something funny happened and it was going spaz under the boat. So I'd say it was a shark. Hopefully Dad can get his in.
Top there. There he is, up top, right up top, to the net.
Matt, up here.
The net, Odie. Get in that ring.
Go, Matt! Ah! Dad! Dad! Hang on. Yep. Oh, that was a close one. Come on, Matt. Now! Put it up!
Put it up. Yeah!
There we go. Nice longtail. Just on the plastic. A little bit more, a little bit more.
Too late. We got the triple, it's gonna be funny.
Oh, they're just there. Oh, got him! Got him!
Oh, God.
Is that...
No, I want to get triple. Oh, okay, well, come on, we got to do a triple.
It's coming towards me. Holy dilly!
Oh, he's going for it. Now make sure you don't get entangled with each other. Do a bit of dosey-do your partner. It's proper.
Yeah.
Now you're getting a run. Alright, I'm going to put my rod back.
Oh, we're on.
Alright, we're on to longtail. The next one, we got a double hookup. We got Nathaniel here.
Matt's hopefully gonna
And Matt's up the front there. Luckily, they've gone in opposite directions.
Yeah, it's pretty lucky. Mine went absolutely hurting. Did you go hurting, Matt?
Oh, mate, this is going to be a long one. He's going miles.
No.
Oh,
We have the old pump and wine going on. It's sort of it's the best thing in the world to have a double hookup, and it's also your best nightmare.
They're slowly
If they get in close, don't let them go together.
One's coming back. Yeah, then.
It's alright. I'll just loosen off a bit.
Now wind her up.
Here we go. Go! Go! Yeah! Nice! Done it!
Third time lucky.
Alright, time to get serious.
Oh, we included
the
the
Mountain
shark
Bay one as well.
Yeah.
I was fighting this fish for about 30 minutes, but that's when things started to go wrong. Unfortunately, you can't catch all the fish, and yeah, that's what happened here. But I'm still grateful that I was able to catch so many fish, and here's what happened.
Here we go. Just got to get him up to the surface. Here we go. Get him.
Oh! This is nuts. This is generally nuts.
Yep.
This is my hardest fighting fish.
Fishing experience you've ever had?
Oh yeah. I'm putting so much hurt on him.
Like half an hour now? That's alright.
We're seeing colour mostly now, so that's a good sign.
Not anymore. My goodness.
How much coffee?
That's right there.
How much coffee did he have?
Alright, he's had a...
Holy dilly! I loosened off just a little bit because...
Shouldn't have.
No, it's just the look at the rod, it's gonna snap. How much coffee has he had? Oh, look at my hand. It's red.
Yep.
He just gave all the strength back. He had like another AA battery. Oh, no.
Oh, you are joking. You are joking. So I don't think we'll ask him any questions right now. I think he's about to cry. So it's just not great.
We just got to give him a little bit of space right now.
Just nice and easy. Yeah, it's not
Just
good.
don't approach him. No loud noises.
No, he will not be taking any questions at the moment.
Yeah, you got the shark now.
You might die this one. That's it. Keep going. Oh! Oh! I think you might die.
If you don't catch one now, you trash. Oh, got him. Come down here, Matt. Dad, what are you doing? He's going. Holy dilly, he's taking some line.
Just take it easy.
No, you just get yours in if you can.
Get the pennies in, man. Oi!
Well, we're not now.
He went for a run, you had to drag a touch too tight. Right, funny looks at close to done.
Oh, here he comes, here he comes. Go, Dad.
It's coming back the other way.
Mate, you're not going to be able to fit through doors after this. Your arms are too massive.
Don't make me laugh.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
go.
Go, yeah, yeah, David! David!
Get up!
Yeah! He's done
Boys
it.
are on.
Proper good one, that one.
Oh, gee, that's
He's
better than
heavy.
my first one.
It's a good fish.
That's a stonker.
It's a good one.
Guilty.
It's a big melon. Look at that for a melon.
That's what you call a solid longtail tuna.
Good one.